How to redeem birthday rewards on DoorDash. For this, go ahead and open your Play Store if you don't have the DoorDash application. You can easily find in your Play Store or an App Store. Install it. If it is already installed, make sure to update and tap Open. Log in or sign up using any of these options that you prefer. Once you are logged in your home page, you have to tap on the Account section at the bottom of your screen and head to the Gift Card section by tapping on Gift Card. Now once you are here, since you already have your birthday reward, you have to go ahead and find a pin that is in your birthday gift card. In this box, right there you can see Enter Gift Card Pin. Enter the pin that is in your gift card. Once you have successfully entered the gift card pin, now all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on Redeem Gift Card option at the bottom in the red bubble. Simply like that, you'll be able to redeem your birthday gift card. I mean, who doesn't want a reward on their birthday, right? So go ahead and order up using your gift card and have a wonderful time. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.